Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today we are just going to be going over the BoxyCharm August base box spoilers. And the base box for August is going to be valued up to $240. So if you're excited about this video, y'all, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now guys, again, since I'm trying to catch up, I'm going to hold off on the comments. Hopefully we'll go back to normal here shortly, I'm hoping. So guys, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that 5 seconds, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are the spoilers so far for the BoxyCharm August base box, and again, it's going to have a value of up to $240. So first up is the choice items, and everybody probably already chose, so if you would comment below which one did you choose. So the first choice item is the Too Faced Bornness Way Concealer. Now if you chose this item, you do get to choose what shade you want. Next up is another choice item. It was the Glam Glow Moisture Trip. And then the next choice item is the QMS Active Glow SPF 15 Tinted Day Cream. And then the last choice item is the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. Again, let me know what you chose down in the comments. Now, the other spoilers that we have so far, and I believe these are variations, guys. You'll receive either one of these items in your base box. The first thing is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, and the shades will vary on that. And then the next one is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Now, again, shades are going to vary on that, and you will get one of those items in your box. And then we have the Trestique, a matte for every mood set, and also the Summer Glow and Go kit, I believe. I believe those are like contours and blushes and stuff like that. So, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to this channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check that out for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.